Less is more until it crosses over into lazy. When somebody fills out a request and says, hey, I'm interested in this, I want to see a demo, and their phone number is in there, immediately, don't wait, okay? This ain't high school anymore. This ain't middle school. There is no dance, no DJ. You're not going to have to wear a cummerbund, put on a tuxedo, or for the people who like to wear dresses, wear a fancy dress. Nobody's asking anybody to prom. You don't have to play it cool. Forget the dating advice that your older brother told you when you were 12. You don't have to play it cool, okay? You don't have to be monogamous. You can date everybody in sales, which means, hell yeah, get on it right now, right? As soon as that lead form comes in, even if it's on a Sunday, as long as you're not going to get divorced making calls on a Sunday, I'd grab it. And I would say this, hey Matt, it's Phil with Acme, right? Hey Matt, it's Phil with Acme. Wanted to reach out to you personally. Make sure my people got you all the information you needed. On it. I just put that form in 2 seconds ago. Awesome. What can I get you information on?